I'm going to take your speaking test. And first of all, how are you today?
So I'm pretty good.
Thank you.
Yes.
What's your full name?
Sir, my full name is MD Bajid Hossain Munna. You may call me Munna. It's my nickname, sir.
Where are you from?
Sir, originally I'm from Zineda.
Where's your future plan?
Sir, my future plan, I want to go abroad for my higher education.
Which country would you like to go?
Sir, I most like Hong Kong, sir. It's my dream country, sir.
Do you love fast food?
Definitely, sir. I like fast food because when I go outside with my friends and family members, that time I take fast food. Sir.
Do you feel good after coming here?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. When I came here, I saw the Rahat English Care's rule and regulation, and then I realized that their rules and regulation very effective for students. And that time I decide I admit here. So after admitted here, I learned a lot of things from here.
What does your father do?
So my father is a remittance fighter. He's very hardworking person, sir.
And what does your mother do?
So my mother is she is a homemaker, sir.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I have best friends, sir. So my best friend name is Samin. He is very good and he's very polite. I first time I met him when I read in class three, sir.
What's your hobby?
So, so my hobby is gardening, and when I get free time, I play with my friends.
Do you think you are improving day by day after coming Rahat's English here?
So definitely, when I came here, I couldn't make any sentences in English, but after finishing my 2 months, then I realized that I'm improving my skills.